Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Today, we have a 3D printer showdown that will make your head spin faster than your drunk uncle at a family wedding. On my left, we have the ELEGOO Saturn, the cosmic wonder of 3D printers. And on my right, we have the Creality K1C, the self-proclaimed Usain Bolt of the 3D printing world. Let's dive right in. Starting with the ELEGOO Saturn, this bad boy will set you back $352. A pretty decent price if you ask me. It's like buying a ticket to the moon, but for your desk. On the other hand, the Creality K1C will cost you $599. That's right, folks, nearly $600. At that price, it better come with a personal butler to print and serve you breakfast in bed. Now, let's talk speed. The ELEGOO Saturn struts its stuff at a respectable 70 millimeters per hour. Not exactly breaking the sound barrier, but hey, slow and steady wins the race, right? Then we have the Creality K1C, flaunting a speed of 600 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. This thing is so fast, it makes Sonic the Hedgehog look like a sloth. I mean, blink and you'll miss it. Next up, build volume. The ELEGOO Saturn offers a generous 218.88 x 122.88 x 250 cubic millimeters. That's enough space to print your wildest dreams, as long as your dreams are slightly bigger than a shoebox. Now, the Creality K1C doesn't shout its build volume from the rooftops, but with its speed and efficiency, it's like having a Ferrari with a trunk big enough to fit your groceries. Fast and practical. Let's dive into some of the juicy special features. The ELEGOO Saturn boasts a 10-inch 12K mono LCD with a resolution so high, it makes your 4K TV look like it belongs in a museum. Plus, it has a laser-carved build plate for those prints that stick like glue. The Creality K1C, however, is like the Tony Stark of 3D printers. It's got AI LiDAR to scan your first layer, an AI camera to spot spaghetti failures, and a cooling system more advanced than a polar bear's air conditioning. It's practically sentient. Ease of use is another biggie. The ELEGOO Saturn has the Voxel Dance Tango software with multiple print modes. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printing software. Versatile and reliable. The Creality K1C, though, is the ultimate plug-and-play device. It's ready to go in 3 minutes, faster than it takes to microwave a Hot Pocket. Auto-calibration, auto-leveling, auto-everything. Just tap and go. It's so easy, even your tech-illiterate grandma could use it. Based on customer reviews, the ELEGOO Saturn is praised for its build quality, ease of setup, and precision. Reviewers have highlighted its excellent customer support and user-friendly design. On the other hand, the Creality K1C impresses users with its speed, stability, and advanced features at a competitive price point. It has a strong following and offers a fun, engaging experience for both new and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, smart buyers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Drop a comment below to tell us which 3D printer you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.